Welcome back to our second part of how to learn a foreign language. If you like our video, feel free to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Trying language learning suggestions. 1. Listen to music in a foreign language. Music can be an enjoyable method to learn a new language. Songs you like may be available in another language. Knowing the lyrics by heart will make it easier to distinguish words. You can also select songs you've never heard before and print out the lyrics before translating them. 2. Read the news in the target language on a daily basis. Choose a topic that you read about on a regular basis, for example, technology news, and read about it in the other language. Find online newspaper sections or blogs in the language you're learning that cover that issue. Try reading about the subject in solely the target language. 3. Listen to internet radio programs in other languages. For foreign language broadcasts, the BBC World Service is a fantastic place to start. You can also view news and shows created in another language on numerous TV networks. This might be far more enjoyable than simply reading grammatical texts. 4. Watch movies or TV shows in the target language with either audio or subtitles. You could enable a voiceover in another language while also enabling subtitles in your own language. Watch the film or television show to read the words in one language while hearing them in another. Listen in your native tongue while reading foreign subtitles. After a while, try watching a movie or television show in the other language without subtitles. 5. Listen to foreign language podcasts. The fact that they are downloadable gives them a significant edge over internet radio. You can listen to the same show until you feel like you understand it. Don't be afraid to specialize, especially if you've mastered the fundamentals of vocabulary and grammar. For example, if you're interested in technology, listening to tech podcasts is a fantastic place to start because many technology-related words and names are taken from English. 6. Play your favorite language games in the language you're studying. Many online and app games allow you to change the language to one of the most regularly used ones. Switch to the language you're studying if this is the case for your game. You'll be playing some of the game intuitively because you're already familiar with it. You will also encounter new words on a regular basis and, in certain situations, be obliged to figure out what is being said in order to progress through the game. 7. Meet up with native speakers in person or in chat rooms, forums. This can help you correct mistakes you are making as well as learn new tips and tricks for mastering the language. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.